Good morning, students. This is Chapter 10, Habitat and Adaptation, Part 9. Here we will learn about aquatic habitat or aquatic adaptations. Let's see aquatic habitat. First of all, what is aquatic? Aquatic means in water. Water bodies like ponds, lakes, river, sea and ocean are example of aquatic habitat. These water bodies serve as the aquatic habitat for a variety of flora and fauna. Flora and fauna means plants and animals. Flora means plants, fauna means animals. Aquatic habitats are further classified into freshwater and marine habitats. Freshwater means there is no salt. For example, river, lakes, ponds, well, these are freshwater. And marine means where water is full of salt, different types of salts. They are sea and ocean. Now, freshwater habitat are aquatic habitat with low level of salt, almost less than 1%, means 0. They include river, lake, streams, ponds, swamps, wetlands, bogs and lagoons. Swamps is type mixed with soil and water. Wetland means the land filled with water, with salt also. Lagoons, they are found near the sea. Marine habitat means more salt concentration. They include ocean and sea. Okay, I have told you earlier. Now come to what are their adaptations to live in water, inside water. First, streamline body. Almost every animals which is found in water, either in fresh water or in marine water, they must have streamlined body to drag for minimum resistance with water. An aquatic animal should have ability to swim to overcome the resistance of the surrounding medium. Hence, streamlined body is the primary requesting means necessity for aquatic life. Additionally, there is no extension on the body except fins. Body में ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए and streamlined means just like a boat. To drag in water. Drag means पानी को जो काटता है ना, तो वो resistance should be very less. Next, presence of fin. Fins help the fish and other aquatic animals like to shark to move in different direction. Means when they want to move direction, they use their fin. Dolphin and whales. Even though they are not fish, but their forelimbs modified to fin-like flippers. It is not called fin, it is called flippers. And they are not categorized under fish. They are categorized under mammals. We humans and animals. Other animals like cat, dog, lion, etc. Because why? Because they have lungs in it. They don't breathe with gills. Next is strong muscles. Fish have a strong V-shaped muscle in the body because they have to live in water and they have to drag every time. They have to fight with water to swim. So they have strong muscles. And they are called myotomes that help them to move forward. Presence of gills. Fish, shark, prawn, lobster, tadpole. Tadpole is a primitive stage of frog, and frog comes under amphibians, but tadpole swims, and they have gills at primitive time, and after that they mature, they have lungs in it called these aquatic animals have a special respiratory organ called gills and allow them to breathe in the water. They breathe, take oxygen which is dissolved in water. Dolphin and shark don't have gills. This is the reason they come up in the surface of the water for time to time to breathe in air. Hmm. They take oxygen from air. After taking oxygen, they again dive in under the water, and they can stay for a very long time inside the water. And again, when they want to respire, to breathe, they come again uh, on the surface of the water. Next, sense organ. Fish develop a special lateral fin. They have lateral fin. There is no figure of a fish. A special lateral fin as the sense organ located in the head and along both sides of the body. It is used to detect movement and vibration in the surrounding water. Swim bladder. That you will found a swim bladder in the stomach of the fish. Swim bladder, a hollow and large sac filled with gas, is present in the abdominal cavity. Abdominal means in the abdomen, पेट में होता है, of most bony fish. This helps the fish to change depth in water when they want to dive or they want to come. This helps when they want to change their depth because there is a many levels of water. Blubber. Just like polar bear, whales also have thick layer of blubber, means fat, under the skin to protect the body heat. Because all over the earth there are water, there are ocean. So ocean is also present in polar side, in North Pole, in South Pole, and there also found some fish also. They developed a blubber under their skin to protect from extreme cold. Aquatic plants. Now come to aquatic plants. They also have some adaptations. First, water plants have leaves and stems that are long and narrow and flexible to move with water current. They have to always fight with water current because they live in water. So they have strong type of leaves, stems, and long, narrow, flexible. Flexible is a must. So they can just cut the water current. Some aquatic plants have air space in their stem, leaves, and roots to hold the plant in the root because they don't have a soil, so they have strong roots. They have air space in their stem, leaves, and roots. They is not strong, they have weak root actually. Some plants have leaves that float on the top of the water, exposing themselves to sunlight. In floating plants, chlorophyll is restricted to the upper surface of the leaves because the upper side is photosynthesizing. So, all the chlorophylls accumulate on the upper surface of the plant that is exposed to sunlight. And upper surface has a waxy covering to repel water also and to save from decaying because of water. They have waxy coating also. This is water plant. And other adaptations are aquatic plants that are submerged first, which are floating on the surface. Second, who are submerged. Submerged lack strong water transport system in the stem. जो पानी के अंदर है, they don't need any water system. They don't want xylem. Actually, xylem is the transport system. So they lack because there is no need. Dissolved gases, water, and nutrients are absorbed through the leaves directly from the water. They because they are submerged in water, so they don't need any special kind of organs for water transport. Roots are poorly developed or absent because there is no need of root, because what is the function of root? Root absorbs water for photosynthesis, and here water is plenty of available, so there is no need of roots. So in submerged plants, roots are very poor or maybe absent. Leaves are ribbon-like to avoid damage due to water current. Leaves are ribbon-like, means they are folded type to avoid the water current. Stomata are absent, are localized on upper surface of the leaf if present. What is the function of stomata? Transpiration. And here there is plenty of water, so no need to transpire because they are submerged in water. So mostly stomata is absent, or if present, on the upper side of the leaves. Body is covered with mucilage to prevent decay. Body is covered with mucilage because they are in water, so they can decay due to always living in water. पानी में लगातार रहने से their bodies can be decay. So they have mucilage, means a layer of type of waxing type of covering which prevent decaying. I think this is all for today. Thank you so much.